Can you say, oh no?
Oh no.
Okay, now do it. Say, oh no.
Oh no.
How many shoes you got?
Shoes?
Yep, count them. Here.
Count your shoes again.
Count them with Daddy. Count them.
Say 1, 2.
My dad.
Hey, can you say, I'm a big brother? Hayden, can you say, I'm a big brother?
Okay, say, I'm a big brother.
Aww. Can you say, I love brother?
Okay, say that. Say, I love brother. Say, I love brother.
Can you say, Papa?
No, Papa.
Can you say, Nana?
Nana.
Can you say, Marky? Say, Marky. Hayden. Can you say, Marky? Here, I'm going to turn on the TV. Can you say, Marky?
No.
Say, Marky. Can you say, Monkey?
No.
You're good? Can you say Marky? Good job. Can you go, itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Yay! You're a big brother? Yeah? Can you say Garrett? Can you say girl? Hayden, can you say girl? Ick. That's not ick. Can you say girl? Can you say baby girl? Or say Kaylee? Can you say Colton? Yeah? You're down. Can you go say, oh no! What are you doing, monkey butt? Can you say red? Can you say blue? Can you say, oh, itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. You didn't finish. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Yay! Can you do patty cake? Patty cake. Baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it. Pat it. Mark it with an H. Put it in the oven for Hayden and Mommy. Yay! Now can you say bye-bye?